click on Google Apps for me to see Google Slides here. Then I will need to click. A new page is opened, or a new tab. I have my recent slides that I've tried to work on as we were learning how to create Google Slides. And maybe I can keep on using one of these slides because we are just going to learn the same skills, just how to navigate these tools, these skills for you to sound more professional in your workplace. So, like I've said, we need to learn how to leverage charts and how to leverage diagrams. I'll give you some examples so that you can build from there and develop some other more skills. I don't need to delete the slides that are already added. I can instead add new slides for us to exercise this. You remember that I told you, you see here I had a Google Slide with 2 parts. That's why adding a new one also brought 2 charts here. I mean 2 sections or 2 parts. But clicking right click, I can change the layout